Would you like to learn how to make the most amazing homemade cake you've ever tried? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to make a southern strawberry cake using fresh berries and no boxed cake mix. Hi, I'm Summer from aspicyperspective.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a fresh southern strawberry cake from scratch. Traditionally, most strawberry cakes that people have enjoyed are from a boxed cake mix. They either use a strawberry cake mix with strawberry tub frosting, or they use a white cake mix in a box of jello to create the strawberry flavor. And although these are very nostalgic recipes, the strawberry flavor comes across as really artificial and fakey. So today we're making a fresh strawberry cake using fresh, soft summer strawberries that create the most intense summertime flavor. Another thing that you need to understand about southern cakes is that ultra moist and delicate texture comes from using oil instead of butter. In this recipe today, we're using a combination of butter and oil. Butter so we have a really rich flavor, but oil so we have that great southern style texture. Pour the cake batter evenly into your prepared cake pans and go ahead and pop those in the oven for 30 minutes. Now your cake layers are delicate. They need to bake totally undisturbed. So keep your oven door closed, guys. It's important and it'll make the best cake you've ever tasted. Allow your strawberry cake layers to cool in the pans for several minutes and then ever so gently flip them out of the pans and peel off the parchment paper. They're perfect! While your cake layers are cooling, it's time to make the strawberry frosting. And for this, I like to use a combination of cream cheese, butter, strawberry jam to flavor and color the frosting, and then of course powdered sugar. Guys, you are going to die over this strawberry cake. It is so amazing, and you can absolutely do this. To get the full recipe, visit aspicyperspective.com.